Mother Nature has an intricate recycling system to maintain balance within the ecosystem. However, the rise of industrial development, while elevating our quality of life, has left a significant mark on the environment, polluting the air, water, and soil. India is quickly becoming overwhelmed, generating millions of tons of waste every year. Yet, less than 5% of this waste is recycled effectively. The rest accumulates, forming mountains of debris that threaten our very existence. To combat this growing pollution crisis, governments, NGOs, and environmentalists across the globe have embraced a three-pronged strategy: reduce, reuse, and recycle. At the forefront of waste management innovation is Avanti Business Machines Limited. For over 35 years, Avanti has built a legacy of trust, delivering dependable products and prompt service while continuously innovating according to our customer needs. Headquartered in Hyderabad, Avanti has a strong presence across India, with branch offices in major metros and an extensive network of channel partners, while also expanding its reach into Southeast Asia and Africa. Our factories cover 12,000 square feet across 3 units, where we produce a diverse range of customized solutions built to the highest standards. Every year, Avanti develops, designs, delivers, and maintains over 250 customized products, driven by our professional teams of skilled technicians, engineers, and managers under the supervision of Technical Director Mr. S. Geetha Krishnan. Avanti's commitment to quality is reflected in our certifications, from ISO 9001 to CE compliance, ensuring our products meet the highest global standards. Avanti has successfully implemented shredding and recycling solutions across various industries, serving clients such as Amazon for document security and packing waste, RBI for security of packaging waste, Oppo, Samsung, HP for e-waste, Mylan, Pfizer, Dr. Reddy's for pharma waste, and Indian Railways for pet waste. Introducing our latest innovation in industrial waste management, Avanti Material Recycling Shredder. Revolutionizing waste management, this machine can transform not just old files, but also white consumer goods like fridge doors, air conditioning bodies, wooden crates, laptops, keyboards, CPUs, and plastic drums into recyclable materials. Shredding of metallic body of split, AC's outdoor units. Shredding of plastic body of indoor unit of split ACs. Shredding of fridge doors for material recycling. Shredding of plastic drums for material recycling. Shredding of wooden crates for material recycling. Shredding of plastic crates for material recycling. Shredding of laptops, keyboards, and CPU units. Shredding of security printing rolls for material recycle. Shredding of old box files and office files. This machine is ideal for implementing EPR in-house, within consumer goods manufacturing factories for ensuring efficient recycling at the source. Also perfect for external recyclers, providing robust shredding solutions for implementing EPR policies with minimal waste. Avanti's Material Recycling Shredder machine is a future-focused solution that efficiently recycles end-of-life consumer goods, empowering industries and recyclers to embrace sustainability. Come join us in redefining global recycling and waste management.